So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the basics of HTML. So let's get right into the video. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to right click in your coding software. Well, I'm using brackets, so I'll right click here in this side, and then I'll press new file. Then I'll put index. But you can't just put index. So index is like for the home page, but you can't just put index, because if you create an HTML file and you don't put .html at the end of it, it will not work. So I put .html right here, and then it can now work. So you go to your file, and then you put an exclamation mark there, and then you press tab, and then it should show something up like this, and then you can create whatever title you want. So the title I'm gonna go for is Flint Plays there. So anyways, these are the main basics. This is the title, this is the body, there's our header 1, which is it's a header, but it's like one of the biggest headers. There's a paragraph, there's also a header. So some extensions, some font types I can use is like italic, which stands for 1, bold, which stands for B, and you can also use superscript too. Superscript is actually, you can use it to make like a math equation or something like that. So for example, I'm going to put a P tab here inside the superscript. Actually, that's not how superscript works. What you have to do is you put the number in the superscript, and then the P tag and the superscript will be inside the P tag. So you press Ctrl X, then paste that back, and I think I messed something up, so I have to put that here. Okay, and I put a P there. Okay, so now it will surely work. So I have to put 5 in the paragraph before I can do that. And then what is going to happen is that you're going to press this. So if you don't see my screen, if you don't see the website, then that means there's something wrong. So it should work, but it's not working on my end. Oh, I think I see something there. I have to change the script there, and then now the code has no errors, so I think it should work. Which just reminds me, to put superscript, you don't put superscript. What you actually do is you put sub. So you put sub and then tab, then 2. Then you see that now it will work. So you may not be seeing it on my end, but you can see it on your end. So it should work. So anyways, that's superscript. So if you want to go advanced already, although that'll be in the next video, but I'll just show you something else that that is cool. So you can use CSS to design the whole page. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the body right here. After, press space, then press actually type in style, then put background color for the body, background color, and do any color you want. I'm gonna go with cadet blue, and then at the end, what you're going to do is you're gonna put that semicolon or whatever that is. Anyways, once you do that, the whole body will be in the color that you want. So if you check, the body will be the color you want, and the body is where you keep all the text and stuff. So yeah, that's basically the basics of HTML. If you want to see more, then comment it or like this video. So I'll see you in the next video.